Noodles. Hi, nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from?
Kazakhstan.
Are you from Kazakhstan?
Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan. Really? Wow, nice, nice. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh? Next week.
Really, really.
Okay, just what time is it now in Kazakhstan? What time? At present?
Yes, yes.
Time. In your watch. What time? 2. Oh, wow. Just here in our country, Bangladesh, 3:50 p.m. Just in the afternoon, 3:50 p.m. Okay. Can you speak English?
Okay.
Can you speak English fluent or little bit? Little bit. Okay. Just what are you doing? What are you eating right now? What are you eating? Noodles. What is this? Oh, no. Are you eating meat?
Chicken.
Are you eating chicken? Oh, nice. Already I have finished lunch. A few minutes ago. I have finished lunch. Yeah, really. Actually, what is your favorite food? What kinds of food do you like most to eat? Chicken. Do you like to eat chicken? Do you like to eat chicken? All the time? Oh. Actually,
Every day.
I like to eat biryani. This is the most favorite food. Biryani, chicken biryani.
Okay. Yiyorsundan başladım. Bunu nasıl?
What have you
Bunu
put?
nasıl?
What have you put on it? What have you put on it?
Makaron.
Okay.
Can you macaron device?
Kazakhstan. Oh, actually, I have forgotten for asking your capital city. What is the name of your capital city? Kazakhstan. Capital city name.
Aktau.
Okay.
Aktau.
Kazakhstan. This is your country, Kazakhstan. Next to Russia, Kazakhstan. Yeah, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Kashmir, Sia, and City Aktau. This.
Kazakhstan. Okay. Kazakhstan. Thank you so much. Actually, how old are you? How old are you at present? How old are you? Your age.
Setting.
Oh, really? 30. Oh, also me 30 at present. Okay. Actually, how do you spend your free time?
No.
How do you spend your free time? Free time. How do you pass your free time? Yeah. How do you pass?
PM.
Okay. Actually, you cannot.
Eating time.
Okay, just.
Eating time.
Okay. Eating time. It is time to your lunch in your country. Lunch time in your country, Kazakhstan. Lunch time. Okay. Actually, have you ever visited our beautiful country, Bangladesh? Have you ever visited Bangladesh in your life? In your life, have you ever visited?
Bangladesh is little.
Little, yeah. Actually, in the area of your country is very big. Your country is very big in the area, but our country is little in the background, in the area of background. Okay.
Remember?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
It's really.
Thank you so much for joining.
Yeah.
Will you give me to it something? Will you give me to it?
Look.
Oh, wow. Nice, nice.
Ağzına satacağım.
Thank you. Thank you.
Tamam, suyla tamam.
Thank you so much for invitation.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.